Having a multilingual mobile application will help you easily attain global reach and earn customers from the non-English speaking part of the world. Creating multilingual app not only drives conversion rate but often provides a long-lasting partnership with its user. In this video, I will show you how you can create multilingual app through Appmaker. So for adding multiple languages, first you will need to add a plugin from your Woocommerce website dashboard. Go to your dashboard. In here, click on plugin. Then click on add new. There are two plugins which we can use for our website, and first one is Woocommerce Multilingual and the other one is Polylang. I will use the search bar and search for Polylang and then click on install. After the installation, click on activate. Just follow the instruction in here and activate the plugin. Now let's move on to the Appmaker dashboard. In here, click on the update app on the left hand side of the dashboard. It will drive you to the next page where you can see all the settings including the languages. Click on languages and in here you can add or remove your languages. Right now, I will delete all these languages by clicking on delete this language on the top right corner. Now let's add languages. After selecting your languages, just click on save changes and then click on build app. Now your app is being built. It may take up to 5 minutes to get ready. Here we go, your app is ready. Now let's download the APK file to your mobile. So this will be my app icon. I will click on it. As you can see, all my options are now translated to the default language which I added in the Appmaker dashboard. My menu also has been changed to the default language which you can set in the Appmaker dashboard. You can change your current language to other added languages by clicking on the language switcher, or just go to the setting and change it from there. So there we go. That's how you add multiple languages in your mobile through Appmaker. Thanks for watching. To know more, check out our website www.appmaker.xyz.